Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about e-bikes and e-bike racks. They could be very expensive, some of them ranging anywhere from $300 to $1,400. Well, I came up with a cheaper alternative. Some of you may have aluminum platforms such as this, and what we're going to do is take some light-duty welded steel and make a bracket to it. Now, this may not be the most conventional way, but you can save time and money by modifying your rack just a little bit so that it accommodates your needs. Message me more for details. Here I welded some 14 gauge 1x1 tube steel, and then I took the plate off of this strut and welded it flat so that I can drill a hole through the aluminum and then we'll bolt it in place, since you can't weld aluminum with steel. Don't forget to preheat and take all the moisture out of the steel before you do any welding. And of course I grinded all the galvanized coating off of the plate so that you have the best penetration. Now, making sure each leg is square and level, I verified the welds are good on all four sides. And then when installing it, I made sure the U-bolt made solid contact. This is looking so good right here. Then we test it for fit, and we put the e-bike up there and it fits good. And of course, there's plenty of room for clearance for the spare tire. Guys, drop a comment if you've tried anything like this, or if you have any suggestions of different ways to modify your rack so that it accommodates an e-bike or anything else. And don't forget to turn up the fun meter.